हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू साइबर जोन यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट अंडर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। Applications are invited from the interested candidates for undergoing training in the following trades at Government Industrial Training Institute, ITI, at Roing, Tabarijo, Dirang, Balanong, Miao, Upia, Manipoliang, Jiro, ITI Sagali, only for women. Interested candidates को यह बताना चाहता हूँ वेरियस गवर्नमेंट इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जैसे कि ITI रोइंग, ITI टबरिजो, ITI डिरांग, ITI बैलनोंग, ITI यूपिया, ITI मणिपुलियांग और ITI सगाली में फॉर्म फिल करना स्टार्ट हो गया है फॉर वेरियस ट्रेड्स। वेरियस कोर्सेज अंडर ITI। सीरियल नंबर 1, नेम ऑफ ट्रेड्स: A. वायरमैन, B. मेसन फॉर बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्टर, C. कारपेंटर एंड वेल्डर फॉर गैस एंड इलेक्ट्रिक, D. welder for fabrication and fitting. A. plumber, minimum qualification, class 8th passed, non-matric. Serial number 2, name of trades: surveyor, mechanic motor vehicle, fitter, electrician, draftsman, civil, information communication technology system maintenance, ICTSM, electronic mechanic, secretarial practice, stenographer and secretarial assistant, English, computer operator and programming assistant, copper, tourist guide, basic cosmetology, fashion design technology, mechanic diesel, computer hardware and network maintenance, desktop publishing operator, front office assistant. Minimum qualification: class 10th passed, matric. Age limits and reservation: the candidates having 14 years of age and above are eligible for admission. 30% seats are reserved for female candidates in the ITIs except ITI Sagali, which is a women ITI. The cost of application form is 100 rupees per form. Next, selection process. The selection of candidates shall be made on the basis of the marks obtained in class 10 for matric trades and on the basis of the marks obtained in class 8 for non-matric trades. Application form. Application forms are available in all District Industries Center (DIC), including capital DIC, Naharlagun, ITI, Roing, Balanong, Manipoliang, Jiro, from the 6th of May 2024 onwards. The filled-up form should be submitted to respective DIC and ITI, Roing, UPA, from where form was issued along with related documents, certificates as per scheduled on next page. Important dates: 1. Date of issue of application form by DIC's principal, ITI, Roing, UPA, Manipoliang, Jiro, Balanong has started on the 6th of May 2024 onwards. 2. Last date for submission of filled-up application form to concern DIC, Principal, ITI, Roing, UPA, Manipoliang, Jiro, Balanong is on the 31st of May 2024. 3. Merit list of candidates to be finalized by concerned DIC and Principal, ITI, Roing, UPA, Manipoliang, Jiro, Balanong by the 12th of June 2024. And the rest of information you can see on the screen or check out or download the PDF in the description box. PDF link below on description box. For any queries or doubts, feel free to contact below. The candidates' guardians may contact District Industries Centers, ITIs, Roing, UPA, Balanong and Manipoliang, Jiro, during office hours to know how about admission in ITIs. The detail will also be available in the departmental website www.skillarunachal.nic.in. And remember, form submission is completely offline. ऑनलाइन फॉर्म सबमिशन इज नॉट अवेलेबल एंड नॉट अलाउड। एप्लीकेशन फॉर आप ऊपर दिए गए एड्रेस से कलेक्ट करना है और फिल अप करके कंसर्न DIC में सबमिट करना है बिफोर द 31st of May 2024। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। डू सब्सक्राइब अस फॉर मोर वीडियोज़।